Hey, nice to see you! Today we're making vintage looking gemstones using hot glue. So let's get started. Step 1. Steal Play-Doh from a child. Step 2. Whack the Play-Doh with a Wookie until it's flat. Step 3. Go through the clutter you've accumulated over the years and find things to press into the dough. Here I'm using a marble to create a shape that resembles an oval gemstone. And for the fake bezel setting, here's one option. So I'm creating the rim close to the gemstone shape. You can really be creative here and use all kinds of objects for completely different outcomes. Step 4. Fill your mold with hot glue. The one annoying part about this project is that air bubbles form quite easily. I tried to avoid this by starting from the center and slowly making my way outwards, trying not to trap any air. Now you will need baking paper or silicone to press the glue flat. Press gently because you don't want your mold to change its shape. Once it has cooled down, you can remove the glue and clean it with water and a toothbrush. Just make sure not to confuse your toothbrushes afterwards. The thinner you made the glue, the easier it is to cut off the excess with regular scissors. Step 5. It's painting time. I'm using nail polish and acrylic paints. Why nail polish? Because you need paint that's quite glossy for the gemstone. Acrylic paint looks too streaky. For the rim I use black acrylic paint as a base and then give it metallic highlights. You can also age the gemstone with watered down black acrylic paint. Optional step. Decide that you don't like it and make drastic changes. It's never too late to make a change. Another optional step. When your pieces are painted, you can make them into jewelry by inserting a matching jump ring, for example. Or you could glue some ribbon to the back. Here I made a whole ring out of hot glue. Check out my other gemstone videos if you like, and stay creative.